Hi, you alright? My name's Jamie. I've got the Ford Ranger behind me and I've come down to Unichip today to have some changes made to it. So I got the truck last year in August. I've got 2 big German Shepherd dogs and I needed a vehicle to bring them around in every day, and a Ranger suited perfectly. I got a cage installed in the back with different sections and it's just perfect basically for what I needed. When I got the vehicle, although it's a 2-litre bi-turbo, it was a little bit slow off the mark. It felt quite heavy. I wanted a little bit more out of it. So I looked into getting it remapped, which wasn't available at the minute. So the next best alternative was going to be a tuning box. I did a quick search on Google, did a little bit of research, and I went with what I thought was the market's leading company to provide that tuning box. It got delivered, I installed it. It was quite simple to install, and basically the benefits felt like the car was a little bit lighter, but it wasn't a huge difference in power really. But obviously I didn't have anything to compare it to, so I was happy with the product initially. A couple of months later it started throwing up some issues. It was putting the car into limp mode all the time, especially when I was on dual carriageways, which was creating a bit of a problem really. It got to the point where I couldn't actually use the product even on the 7 different maps. It was just throwing it into limp mode every single time. So unfortunately I couldn't use that box. So that brings me on to why I'm here today. I wasn't happy with the product, so I reached out to Rich at Unichip Europe to see what he could do. We've worked together for the past couple of weeks now, and he showed me the product that he could install on my vehicle. So similar sort of thing. It's a tuning box, plug and play, but the benefits are completely different to, again, what I thought was the market leading company. He's increased the power output of the car, the torque, he's increased the throttle response. It's completely transformed the car. And I think going back to how I bought it in August, I probably would never use it like that again. So I heard about Rich and Unichip Europe through a Ford Ranger forum actually. I saw a post on there that Rich was looking to source a Ford Ranger, specifically the 2-litre bi-turbo, to do some work with. I reached out to Rich, and from that point onwards the service I got from him was fantastic. I brought the car down to the workshop. He showed me the Unichip device, pretty much showed me what he thought the benefits would be from there. I was really chuffed with this because I'd never heard of Unichip Europe before, but compared to all the other devices I think that are out there on the market, and specifically the one I'd used, it is worlds apart from that. So I'm really glad I reached out to Rich. I'm really glad the work he's done, the service he's provided. Yeah, like I said, I wouldn't drive the car without the chip. So after meeting Rich and the product he's given me, overall I would definitely recommend him to anyone else that has a Ford Ranger, or anyone else that wants some more power out of their car. Like I said, the service he's provided has been second to none. It's been fantastic. He's explained everything clearly to me, showed me all the graphs of the data of how much power is coming out, and yeah, overall I would definitely recommend Unichip Europe. I'm trying to think. I'm just really happy with the product. It's made the car a lot faster.